Hi guys, so today I am going to be showing you my eyebrow tutorial using the NYX Tame & Frame eyebrow pomade in the shade Espresso. The first thing I do is outline my brows, making them a bit thicker than they naturally are. I am now going to blend the front top line in and start filling in my brows. After I fill them in, I blend it out with a spoolie. I blend the front and then I move on to concealer. I am using the Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C3. After I've concealed my underbrow, I blend the concealer downwards and in the middle so it's equal with the other eye. I then conceal the top and